How to become successful on YouTube. Tony Correa. Go to vidIQ YouTube Booster. Achieving success on YouTube requires a combination of factors, including creating engaging content, optimizing your channel, building a community, and promoting your videos effectively. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you succeed on YouTube. 1. Define your niche and target audience. 1. Choose a specific niche that you're passionate about and where you can provide value. 2. Research your target audience to understand their interests, preferences, and demographics. 2. Create high-quality content. 1. Invest in good equipment, such as a quality camera, microphone, and lighting. 2. Plan your content and script to ensure clarity and engagement. 3. Edit your videos professionally to maintain audience interest. 4. Aim for authenticity and originality to stand out from the crowd. 3. Optimize your channel and videos. 1. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility. You can use TubeBuddy or Vidic to rank your videos much better. 2. Create compelling thumbnails that accurately represent your content and encourage clicks. 3. Organize your videos into playlists to make navigation easier for viewers. 4. Customize your channel layout and branding to reflect your brand identity. 4. Engage with your audience. 1. Respond to comments and messages from your viewers to build a sense of community. 2. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. 3. Use polls, Q&A sessions, and community posts to interact with your audience. 5. Consistently upload content. 1. Establish a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 2. Quality is important, but consistency is key to maintaining and growing your audience. 6. Promote your videos. 1. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and relevant online communities. 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers and influencers in your niche to reach new audiences. 3. Utilize email marketing to notify subscribers about new uploads or special events. 7. Analyze your performance. 1. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. 2. Identify trends and patterns to understand what content resonates with your audience. 3. Adjust your content strategy based on data insights to optimize your channel's growth. 8. Stay updated with YouTube trends and features. 1. Keep an eye on trending topics, formats, and challenges to stay relevant and attract new viewers. 2. Experiment with new features and formats introduced by YouTube, such as shorts, stories, and premieres. 9. Stay committed and patient. 1. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and perseverance. 2. Stay focused on your goals and continuously strive to improve your content and engage with your audience. Check out Vidic YouTube Booster Rocket or also TubeBuddy YouTube Ranker. By following these steps and adapting to the evolving landscape of YouTube, you can increase your chances of success on the platform. Remember to stay authentic, passionate, and dedicated to providing value to your audience.